Introducing the Funskool Mega Cake Factory, your ultimate DIY cake making adventure. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need: 4 colorful doughs, 6 cake shapes, plates, cutlery, and so much more. Everything to make your dream cakes come true. First, roll a dough ball. Press it into the cake base mold. Then, place your cake in the stamp station where you can stamp and make the perfect cake shape.
Next, take your cake to the cream station. Choose between a round or star extruder insert and churn out the perfect creamy topping.
Now, it's time to decorate. Move your cake to the sprinkler section and add colorful sprinkles to make it look even tastier. Create cake toppings with different molds, adding the final touches to your masterpiece. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Funskool Mega Cake Factory and start creating today. Funskool, true to kids, always.